There are a lot of portable devices here, but the three biggest problems with them are battery life, and battery life. To learn the future of portable power, we went inside the lab to get a preview of an innovative power source called the methanol fuel cell. Batteries power the mobile world, from cell phones to toys. With over 3 billion batteries sold a year, they both energize and pollute the world. But what other choice do we have? The engineers at MTI Micro say they have a safe solution. They believe their methanol fuel cell is on the verge of revolutionizing the way we power our devices.
People's iPhones run out of power before lunch. Some digital cameras run out of power before you're done with the party. Many of these devices then run out of power, but you can't stop to go to a wall outlet and plug it in.
Jim Pruitt, Vice President of Operations, says he can solve that problem with the methanol fuel cell.
A typical cell phone today with its battery will last only a day or two, or maybe 3 days if you're lucky. A fuel cell actually generates electricity. With one cartridge will actually last 2 to 3 weeks. So now all of a sudden with a fuel cell charger, you can actually make that cell phone run independently for weeks instead of days.
And unlike batteries, which are toxic for the planet, methanol is clean and totally safe.
It's also biodegradable because it's normally available in nature and it breaks down. It's in your window washer fluid, so it's actually very widely available and cheap.
Methanol is an efficient, high-energy chemical compound, much superior to other comparable elements like hydrogen.
You can see that this is about a gallon of methanol, and this particular gallon of methanol has the same energy content as this big tank of hydrogen. That's why we use methanol, because there's the very compact energy capability within the molecule itself.
And you may be very surprised to hear how little methanol it takes to create power.
1 teaspoon of methanol has the same energy content as a battery would for a cell phone. So you can get 1, 2, 3 days worth of power from that 1 teaspoon like you do the battery.
Not quite ready for the production line, engineers have to assemble fuel cells by hand.
The critical part of a fuel cell involves multiple different things, but the first thing is that it involves chemistry at the membrane.
The membrane involves a catalyst, or a layer of platinum nanoparticles that facilitates a reaction between methanol and water. Like a battery, it has an anode, or negative post, and a cathode, or positive post. Water is absorbed from the cathode side and methanol fuel from the anode side. When the water, fuel, and platinum particles touch, a reaction occurs producing hydrogen ions creating electricity. And the best part? The only byproduct from the whole process is water and carbon dioxide. The same chemical compound humans exhale while breathing. Currently, they're in the 3rd generation, so the engine and fuel cell is not quite small enough to fit inside a cell phone, but it is the right size for a portable wireless charger.
The electricity comes from the USB outlet power port, so now we're able to create the power and connect it up to the cell phone. Now we actually have power that you can provide to anybody's cell phone, and if you're mobile, you run around, you want to go to the airport, you want to go out hiking or camping, you now have power anytime, anywhere, then you want it, and it's when you want it, not when you have to go to a wall and recharge.
And when the fuel runs dry, you simply replace it with another one. It's only a matter of time before it replaces the battery in every wireless device.
We'll continue in the future making it smaller, so we've been able to make these chips, our engine, our cartridges more and more compact, so that eventually in the future, this is a prototype, but we'll be able to have a cell phone that's driven by the fuel cell.
Don't get off that couch. We've got cameras that detect a human smile and a small robotic web camera on wheels.